The Adey Group story began in 1925 when Harry Adey opened an ironmonger's shop at 7A Nottingham Road, Loughborough. The business soon established itself, supplying fixings, cookware and tools to the local community. Arthur Adey joined in 1931, expanding the business and supplying machinery and fabricated steelwork to the farming and construction industries. 30 years later, Gary Adey joined his father to advance the business forward, and in the year 2000, they relocated to the current Meadow Lane address. The company is now a leading supplier to the construction and engineering industries, and with Andrew Adey having now joined, proudly remains a privately run business with a family ethos.
We've always had basic principles in the first place, and that was a damn good job at a fair price with outstanding customer service. I'm sure that's what my grandfather did, and going through. Basics are service and reliability.
My name is Andrew Adey. I'm Group Managing Director of the Adey Group, fourth generation of the Adey family. By no means am I a qualified welder, but I've put a few hours in on the shop floor when I was younger, and I think that's important.
We've had some special people, and there's quite a lot of special people. There is special people going back, there's special people in the middle, and there's special people now.
When I started here, there was only, how many was there? There were about 16 people altogether? About 16.
We've been through a depression, a world war, a number of recessions.
But it's pulled through, and it's a good company to do that, and I'm happy to work for a company that can fight through.
This is a good group of lads this side, all work together, all help each other out. There's good camaraderie between us all.
It's nice that you see Gary and Andrew walking around, Robert himself, having a chat. So it is like a community feel, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Whenever, Robert especially, when he comes around, he's always asking, is everything okay? Is there any problems?
It's made better by the fact it's a family business, definitely. Because when you've worked for a bigger company, you feel like you're just a number on a sheet. But when you work for somewhere a bit smaller that's family run, you feel like you're actually cared for and taken care of.
Being part of the Adey Steel family, if you like, has made my working life very enjoyable.
I love the thought of working for a family-run company. I enjoy listening to all the history of the company and all the stories that go with that. I've only been here a short amount of time, but already I'm excited about the way that the company's going in the future.
Well, we've grown a lot over the last 10 years, let alone the 80 prior to that, and increasingly so we're becoming more and more skilled workforce.
Recently, I've done a few jobs in London, Silchester Garages for Mace, which is an architectural package.
We've done a contract recently for a new tram system in Nottingham.
Another London project is Battersea Power Station, the iconic 4 chimneys of Battersea Power Station.
We're in retail, we're in Network Rail, which is the electrification lines, but we also do the house builders, the architectural. We just like our foot in every door.
The 3 Adey names before me and the progression of the business to date gives me a sort of certain aspiration to take it and continue it forward. Without a doubt, there's a lot of good work that's gone on there, and I'd hope that we can continue that in my tenure and beyond that as well into the continuing Adey family.
Proud of our history
And passionate about our future.